Want to keep your WhatsApp account safe from hackers? Securing your account is key to protecting your chats. In this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to guard your WhatsApp account. Let's dive in. Before moving on, remember these messages. Never click on links from unknown senders. Do not use unofficial VPN apps. Be aware of messages asking for your personal information. Now try out these settings to protect your WhatsApp account. Method 1. Enable two-factor authentication. Open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap account. Now tap two-step verification. After that, tap turn on. Enter a 6-digit PIN. And again, enter 6-digit PIN to confirm. Now here, you can enter an email address for recovery. Tap on add email. Enter your email here. Then tap next from the top right corner. WhatsApp will send you a verification to your email. Enter the code and tap verify from the top right corner. Method 2. Lock your WhatsApp app. Press and hold on the WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen. If you set Face ID before, it will show an option called Require Face ID. Now tap Require Face ID. Again, tap Require Face ID. Scan your face. Now it will be locked with Face ID. No one can open the app without your Face ID. Method 3. Block unknown account message. Open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap the privacy. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap advanced. Here you'll see block unknown account message option. Just toggle it on. Also, turn on the protect IP address and calls and disable link previews. Method 4. Regularly review linked devices. Open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap the link device option under the starred message. Review the list of devices currently linked to your account. Then tap on the unwanted device. Now select logout. For the confirmation, tap logout again. That's how you can keep your WhatsApp account safe from hackers on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.